Try it again. Dude, nothing came out. And it stands up on its own. So the difference with this stick vacuum and then the other ones on the market is this one increases suction power right before you turn it off. And what that's going to do is when you go and set it down, no debris is going to fall out. It comes with several different attachments. You could choose to mount this on a wall or not. It does come with a wall mount. And this thing is super strong. It works super well on tile floor, obviously. It gets to those hard to reach areas, and it works just as well on carpet. I have reviewed 3 stick vacuums, and this is by far the best one, and it's only $109. So I'll go ahead and link it for you guys.